we left New York. We kind of just did a quick blip through Pennsylvania. We got to Jersey, and can you say humidity? Wow. I know y'all warned us about that. I'm used to humidity on the Oregon coast, but not coupled with heat. So it's like, not today, but yesterday it was like 85 and so humid. Humidity must have been 100%. Felt like 150. I don't know. You're just wet all the time.
Yeah. Today it's only like low 70s, but we've had the air conditioner on the last 2 days, probably as much as we've had it on in the last year combined.
Which has actually been a good thing, because we kind of debated whether to put an air conditioner in our new van. We had decided yes, but we definitely have decided yes now. It's just we aren't typically in this type of weather. If it's bad, we just leave, but
sometimes you can't.
Sometimes you can't help it. And we definitely have been using it's been pretty much on nonstop the last couple days, so
yeah, it's rough. It's going to be an interesting summer, you know, because we can't leave Pistol in the van much, and really when it's really hot, we walked it this morning right after a rain. It was 70 degrees and she was panting.
Yeah, it's still just so humid. I got something new for my camera. I'm hoping you'll notice a huge difference, because I think it's going to make a noticeable difference. I bought the GoPro Karma gimbal. I had to think of the word for it. So it's a gimbal that is specifically for this GoPro and the GoPros. It fits my 7 Black, and what that does is, I'm hoping it makes the footage a lot more smooth and steady. Sometimes I get a little carried away and it's a little too shaky, and some of the stuff I've had to just not include in the video that I would like to include because it's too herky-jerky. So from here on out, hopefully I'll be using this gimbal. I'm using it right now, so going back and forth.
No, it doesn't make you hold still.
No, but okay, I'm gonna bounce the camera up and down. Is that smooth? Normally that would be super bumpy, but I can tell just how the camera is held.
It's a little bigger and bulkier, but it's not too heavy, is it?
No, but it'll work.
Good thing you're in the gym a lot.
Right.
We'll use it for, we don't do a lot of review stuff, but this will be one that we should probably use for a while, and then maybe we'll talk about it in a future video about the pros and cons and what we like and don't like about it.
That, and I mean, we might not even have to review, because if it's a noticeable difference,
I guess
you'll
you'll know.
notice. You'll know if it's good or not, right? So, cool. I'm excited about that. It's my first time using it. We're headed to George's today. I'm nervous. I have a lot of anxiety right now. I think I had too much coffee. That might have something to do with it too. But
it's a big thing. It's a big deal.
It's a good nerve. It's like an anxious. I can't wait to see the van. Now, we purchased the van. That's our van that's in George's shop. We bought the van in New Jersey while we were in Oregon, and finalized that on the road. So the dealership delivered it to George's garage shop.
Yeah,
so
George actually found the van at a nearby dealer here in New Jersey, so that helped a lot. And then the dealership just brought it right to his shop, and it's just sitting there waiting patiently.
Should we go see George and see our van? See what's up? Let's head over there. Boom. Just like that. We're in our new van. Oh, Pistol. She's right at home. She's been herself right at home. We came in. We got carried away. We started van talking with George. It's a little surreal to be in the Humble Road shop right now, I'll say. And in our van.
Yeah, I think we spent 5 hours talking to George about all the things that
Options,
we want to do,
man.
and options. Next thing you know, George is breaking out the plot or the cardboard, and we're just been playing around. And
so I think we'll actually just take you for a quick run through, a loosey-goosey idea of what our thoughts are and our plans are at this point. Of course, everything's very fluid, open to change, but yeah, you want to run them through a tour? A cardboard tour?
if it doesn't fall over, we just kind of set some stuff in place. But
all right, let's get back there.
these probably change size back in here, but this will be overhead cabinetry. It might come down a little lower. This, well, we actually had the bed this way farther we've decided to move it all back. So the bed will be all the way back, queen size, width.
Yep.
Heads up here, some sort of, because we're gonna have a induction cooktop here.
And I think we're thinking 2-burner.
2-burner maybe, sink,
Large sink.
lots of big drawers, maybe a water tank, flat water tank under there, and either a cabinet or a microwave that also acts as a cabinet, fridge, and maybe some electronics gears, battery system, all that stuff's going to be under and back into here. Bathroom is going to be very small in here, and shower, and then a lot of drawers and like maybe a wardrobe type setup here. This area here
Oh yeah.
will be a large drawer that pulls out. It'll be a heavy duty, so you can actually step on that to get out of bed. That'll have a lift the step up, and that should be like laundry and shoes and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
More clothes drawers in here, and then I guess we're on the back. Oh, we'll probably put something up in here for storage.
Yeah, I think so.
A lot of things to look at.
Yeah. Let's take a round to your garage. Dun da da da. Look at all that space. I can't even handle that right now.
So I think this side we'll put a pony keg,
Ha!
and then a wine cellar.
Uh-huh.
All we know for sure is that our battery system, electronics will be backed up in that area. That's just an extra water tank. It was just something we're playing with. That probably won't be there. But this is just up here, not how it's going to be. It's going to be a lot of 80-20 aluminum, and somewhere in here we're going to put a big drawer for 2 bikes to come out. Maybe we'll put a bike drawer here, and then a drawer here for just garage stuff. So much to think about. That's just the beginning, and then you got to run wires, and we already ordered what is the rattle trap stuff?
North.
Yeah. Anyway,
I forget what it's called, but it's coming tomorrow.
Irene and I are going to be doing rattle trap, and installation's going to be coming. You'll see how that works. You'll see when we see.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of stuff to do. A lot of work.
But we're excited. Y'all ready for this?
I'm just going to go work in my garage.
All right. Wow. Look at all that space.
I can sit here.
This is a man cave doghouse, not a garage. I'll put you on a sliding shelf.
Come. Oh yeah, she
Yeah.
says a doghouse. She
Uh-huh.
didn't mean me.
So this is wrapping season 16 of Carry On Vagabond. Stay tuned for season 17 when we tackle the van build. Catch you guys on the flip side.
Carry on.